we're back at EA 2022 in beautiful Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Come by Hangar A and see Flitz. Check out all the polishing and detailing products they have on board. Hope to see you there.
All right, hey, I'm Mike Doble. I'm here with my 1960 M35 Bonanza, and we're at Air Venture, Oshkosh. So, you know, I don't have my stuff with me, but I'm really glad you guys tracked me down. I love Flitz products. When I first bought this airplane, a lot of the chrome and a lot of the logos and whatnot were super faded. Even some of my light lenses, like I have these acrylic lenses on my landing lights, and they had a little bit of haze to them. And I used the polishing compound to basically go over the whole airplane and remove oxidation. And then going behind that, I finished this whole airplane with the spray ceramic sealant, and I use it on not only the painted surfaces but also the chrome and the windscreen, and it provides a really nice layer of protection. So what does that mean for me? When I'm cleaning bugs off the windshield, when I'm cleaning bugs off the prop or the leading edge of the wings, really it just takes a damp cloth and I wipe it down and they come off. Some of the bigger bugs take a little scrubbing, but in general it's super easy to take them off. Before I used the ceramic sealer, it was super hard to scrub those off, and I had a lot of those scrub pads and whatnot that I was using, and I just found they were super hard on the paint. Now I can just use like a microfiber with just a little bit of damp, and all that just wipes right off, and it's fantastic. So I love Flitz products. They've done very, very well for me, and so I can't tell you about competitors because I've never used any competitors' products on this airplane.